Welcome to Roger Adventures. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I painted this Think Positive rock. It's an inspirational rock. I started by painting the green first. I just used regular green and I added some white and yellow paint to make it lighter because I only have dark green. I tried to use basic colors so you guys can follow my tutorials. I'm gonna show you how to blend the colors when you want to do this rock. This is one method of blending the paint. When you use this method, you have to blend the paint when the paint is still wet. So I prepared the paint before. If you have any questions or suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on my next video. And then what you do, once you set the colors, you wash your brush, you dry it, and then you blend. So you go up and down, up and down. If one color goes over the other one, it's okay. You just go over on the paint with a clean brush. Hit on the clips. Every time I get off the brush of the video, I wash it and I clean it, but I cut off those parts. And just letting you know, that is my method of blending the paint. There is another method with the sponges too, but I will show you that in another video. So again, clean, dry, blend, clean, dry, blend, and so on. I know you might think that it takes a lot of time, but it's not. You just, because the brush is not full with a lot of paint, it's easy to wash it. I just use a water cap and paper towels to dry my brush, and you just keep on repeating the process. So the same process here, I just added some a little bit darker green so it can have more contrast. So, you know, think positive. I know it sounds easy, but it's not, especially when you're going through something that is rough, or you lose someone that you love, someone that it's close to you. But the thing is that you don't have to get trapped in the past. You have to think positive. Again, it doesn't mean that you won't grieve or have pain or be sad. No, nothing at all. We all are humans and we have those feelings inside in our hearts. But if you keep it inside for too long, then that's when it becomes a problem. When you encounter something that is difficult, if you think positive, you will break through. If you don't think positive, it will break you down. Negative thinking will make you bitter. Positive thinking will make you better. So you choose bitter or better. Again, you have to choose for yourself. You have to plant that idea into your mind every morning that you get up. Even if it's not a good morning, as soon as you wake up, you think, today I'm gonna have a good day, a blessed day, and I know that everything will turn out to be okay for me. Another example is, those who follow me on Facebook knows that my wife and I would love to go for hikes, and sometimes we go hikes that we don't know. We just see the top of the mountain sometimes and we think, is it possible that we can do it? And we start thinking, yes, we can do it. And I know that it's going to take time, effort, but we are able to do it. And we do. But the true feeling is, once you are at the top, the fulfillment, the enjoyment that you have achieved what you set into your mind, only because you had a positive attitude. So remember, positive attitude starts with positive thinking. The same principles you can apply to your life for anything that you want to achieve. It is possible. You just have to think positive, have positive attitude towards people, because whether we like it or not, all the world, we have to deal with people. So remember, think positive. All right, and this is the rock. And on this occasion, I did water-based sealant. Let me know what you think about this rock. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you become a subscriber. So I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.